How to easily remove something from continue watching on Disney Plus. And first things first, this process is going to be compatible or going to be doable on both TV, computer, phone, and tablet. For an easily process, what I can recommend you to do is doing this on your computer. But you can also do this the same thing on either phone or tablet or on your TV. But the very least possible that you can do is just to finish the whole thing from your continue watching list. For like, you'll just have to forward or jump in the episode or the series or the movie that you're currently watching on continue watching till the credits is gonna be visible. Now, if you have like multiple list from continue watching, then what you can do, your last resort will be just heading over directly to delete your current profile and starting to create one. So that's pretty much it. That's the most convenient way on removing something from continue watching on Disney Plus.